everyone, this is Sam Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with another Joyfold card inspired by this month's Sheetload of cards. And so I did not print out the diagram, but I'm going to talk about the measurement on how to make this. So I've seen people do variations of the card I'm going to show you. I've seen a couple of them. It was on the Fawn blog, where one of the designers had made little, I think 4x4 maybe sized cards, and one was a grapefruit, one was a lemon, one was a lime, one was an orange. And so I adapted that concept to the Joyfold card. Having done that, I had to match up and find multiple papers, because in that project she just used the Gotta Have Gingham rainbow paper. That's it. That's all she used. So I had to find other paper to match up in some way, because the Joyfold cards use 3 different colors of cardstock. Or 3 different colors of paper, or 4 if you include the white cardstock that I used. But at least it uses 3 sheets of, of pattern paper. So I had to look for stuff that matched, and I had all these different colors I was using. So I did, of course, use the gingham, and then I did use paper from this one, which is Echo Park, A Slice of Summer. I did use, I don't even know where that one came from. Oh, this was a freebie. So this came in, whenever you buy something from Fawn, they send you sheets of paper, and this was one of the sheets of paper, which the other side is like a fall. That's where that one came from. Where's that coming from? So I used this Cardabella Summer Market. And I used this 6x6 Cardabella Summer. So I used all of these to deal with the paper for this project. I used the lemon stamp set from Fawn. That is a new release. I also used the, I think it's Henry alphabet. And I think I used a circle die that I have in my stash. Okay, so there you go. So the Joyfold card, and I've got my measurements here so that I could go over them with you. If you go hit the link, I have a little hashtag doohickey in my description box. If you click on that, you will get to all the other cards that were made, including the introduction by Crafty Owl on the Sheetload of cards that you can download her printout. I didn't do that. I've made Joyfold cards before. And her printout makes, I think, 6 cards. I've only made 4, plus I think she's using 12x12 paper. I want to use 6x6. I have 12x12 paper. I don't want to dig it out unless I'm making a photo album. Or I really need it. So I just want to use my 6x6 because I have so much of it. So the main card base is 9 3/4 by 4 1/4. Okay, on the long side you score at 4 1/4 and fold it. So that gives you the card, that gives you this base right here. Okay, then you need this piece right here. And so this piece right here is 8, this piece right here is 8 1/4 by 3 1/4. And you're going to score it at 4 1/4. So it just folds in half. Then you're going to glue this piece onto your base once you've put your mat down. And this mat right here measures 5 1/4 by 4. Then you're going to glue this down and then open it up. And then this piece right here measures 4 by 4. And then this mat piece, the one on the bottom, matches 4 by 3. Okay? All right, so let's get going. So this one is supposed to be a grapefruit. I don't know if it looks like a grapefruit to you, but I used a circle die and I used that lemon die to create my slice, which all I did was take this one and cut it in half. And then I just kind of inked it with some various colors to try to get the look. And then I used multiple Lawn Fawn stamp sets to come up with the sentiments. Okay. This part, of course, is die cut with the letters. So it says, "You are such a sweet friend." And then it opens up like this. And then I use the little leftover strip to put that there. And so there's the card 1. And then here is this one. This is "You're the Zest." And I use that lemon die. And I love it so much because there's lots of paper that has lemons in it. That's what I discovered. I could not find paper that had limes though. So, you know. Isn't that cute? All right, so there's that one. And then here's the next one. And this one came out pretty good too because actually, I guess could be a grapefruit. Could be an orange. This little guy, I don't know. Hello Cutie. So I did use a circle die, but then I used my my lemon and just colored him in orange so that I can make it a little cutie. So Hello Cutie. And then it opens up like this. So yeah, I searched around to find paper. And then here's the last one. Lime, totally rooting for you. I had to like put this one at the bottom because when I cut my letters, I did not leave myself room, and that's just what happened. So I had to kind of add that here at the bottom. So Lime, totally rooting for you. So here's my little limes, and then I just used lemon paper, but a different kind of lemon paper because I could not find lime. And that's okay because I think it still looks very cute. So it says Lime, rooting for you. And then you open it up, and you can see the paper that I used here. And so those are the cards. And really, I mean, they were intense to make a little bit because there was a lot of die cutting and a lot of figuring out to make everything fit because I was casing cards and I was doing it completely differently. So, you know, there you go. But I think they're really fun, and I think you guys should try and make these because they're really, really fun. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Sandy Crane with the Heart.